In this video, I'll introduce you to crypto exchanges with the lowest fees and up to 40% cashback. You'll get real money back. As a partner of these crypto platforms, I have a special deal. It's a bit of a catch, but if you sign up using my link, you'll get a fee rebate. For example, if you pay $100 in fees and I set 40% cashback, you'll get $40 back in trading fees. That's basically 90% of my profit that I'm sharing with you. First, there's Binance. It has the lowest fees and offers up to 40% cashback. For spot trading, it's 0.1%, but after rebate, it's just 0.06%. For futures, maker fee is 0.02%, taker 0.05%. After applying the rebate, maker fee drops to 0.012% and taker to 0.03%. The 40% cashback is automatically applied daily. To sign up, just click Enter Zone Binance VIP to reach the sign up page. It'll also show the percentage right away. You can get cashback or use a referral code. Use EJC1Z and 6Q when signing up. Here's a picture, see? It shows a 40% discount on trading fees. Next is Qcoin offering 35% off. Let's check 35% off. Default sport fee 0.1%. After CAT only 0.065%. Futures 0.02%, maker 0.06% taker. That's the default. After CAT it's even less, 0.013% maker, 0.039% taker. CAT gives 35% off. Use code CDB50 or click sign up button here. I'll put the article link in video description and comments. Scroll down to see full details. Here's the image. You can see it shows about 35% discount being offered right there. On mobile, sign up might not show. Use desktop. The computer shows 35% and the next level is the West Exchange at 40%. For example, the support fee is 0.1. After applying, it's only 0.06% for futures, 0.02% for makers, 0.08% for takers. With 40% off, it's 0.012% for makers, 0.048% for takers. Use the code CATIB40 daily or click on Zone Wish to access the registration interface. The size isn't shown during registration, so I screenshotted my partner's setup with CATB40, which gives about 40% off for spot and futures. You can check other exchanges for comparison. For example, Binance, OKX, and BitGet offer 20% off. CoinEx offers 2.5% off futures fees after applying. Here's the link to register. If you want more details, click on the menu at this says Crypt VIP. Click here for more details. I've given an example. How much does volume cost with fixed fees? After applying Cat B, $1 million volume costs how much? How much is returned? There's a picture here. It'll show up now. After registering this code, you'll see the amount. More details on the other side. There are about 13 exchanges. If you don't see one you like, message me via email, Telegram, or Facebook. I'll send a sign-up link for Cashback. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who need it.